Dogecoin value equivalent to 280,805 rands a coin. The present cost range, 280,326 320,355. The earlier day close, 219,787. The change was 0.982, 330%. Converse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 304 rands. Exorbitant cost 378, while low cost 304. They found the middle value of cost 335. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 353, change for September 16 1%. Dogecoin gauge for October 2024. To start with, cost at 353 rands. Exorbitant cost 353, while low cost 295. They found the middle value of cost 330. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 317, change for October 10 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 317 rands. Exorbitant cost 358, while low cost 312. They found the middle value of cost 331. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 335, change for November 7%. Dogecoin gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 335 rands. Exorbitant cost 416, while low cost 335. They found the middle value of cost 369. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 389, change for December 16 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 389 rands. Exorbitant cost 452, while low cost 389. They found the middle value of cost 413. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 422, change for January 5%. Dogecoin estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 422 rands. Exorbitant cost 441, while low cost 383. They found the middle value of cost 415. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 412, change for February 4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at 412 rands. Excessive cost 412, while low cost 333. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 379. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 358, change for spring 1%. Dogecoin figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 358 rands. Excessive cost 426, while low cost 358. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 385. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 398, change for April 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 398 rands. Exorbitant cost 398, while low cost 326. They found the middle value of cost 368. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 351, change for May 8%. Dogecoin figure for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 351 rands. Excessive cost 365, while low cost 317. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 344. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 341, change for June 8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 341 rands. Excessive cost 387, while low cost 337. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 357. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 362, change for July 2%. Dogecoin conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 362 rands. Excessive cost 362, while low cost 312. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 343. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 336, change for August 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 336 rands. Excessive cost 336, while low cost 280. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 313. Dogecoin cost figured toward the month's end 301, change for September 4%. Dogecoin figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 301 rands. Excessive cost 373, while low cost 301. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 331. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 349, change for October 9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 349 rands. Exorbitant cost 380, while low cost 330. The found the middle value of cost 354. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 355. Change for November 17%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 355 rands. Excessive cost 386, while low cost 336. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 360. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 361. Change for December 17%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 361 rands. Excessive cost 448, while low cost 361. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 397. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 419. Change for January 16 1%. Dogecoin gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at 419 rands. Excessive cost 478, while low cost 416. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 440. Dogecoin cost figured toward the month's end 447. Change for February 6 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 447 rands. Excessive cost 447, while low cost 386. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 424. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 415. Change for spring 72%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at 415 rands. Exorbitant cost 464, while low cost 404. The found the middle value of cost 429. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 434. Change for April 46%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 434 rands. Excessive cost 472, while low cost 410. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 439. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 441. Change for May 16%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2026. First and foremost cost at 441 rands. Exorbitant cost 479, while low cost 417. The found the middle value of cost 446. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 448. Change for June 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at 448 rands. Exorbitant cost 478, while low cost 416. The found the middle value of cost 447. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 447. Change for July on 2%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2026. To start with cost at 447 rands. Exorbitant cost 470, while low cost 408. The found the middle value of cost 441. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 439. Change for August 18%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2026. Initially cost at 439 rands. Excessive cost 444,